Hey y'all, welcome back to another episode of Is BoxyCharm Gonna Get Unsubscribed Today and on my nerves. Before I continue with this video, I'll make sure to like down below, y'all. Subscribe, please. Let me see. Did y'all subscribe? Girl, I don't see you. Okay, there it is. Thank you for subscribing, y'all. Love y'all so much for that. Appreciate it a lot. And make sure to leave a comment down below, y'all, and hit that bell button so next time I post a video, y'all know your girl has got out of bed and made a video, y'all. So this is the March box. Let me tell y'all something. The last box that I got, I was not happy with. So let's hope that this one I'm happy for, because the last one was a mess. A hot mess. Usually I get like $200 worth of products, and then the last box I got like half of that, which I still need to be grateful, but still, girl, be consistent. Y'all may be wondering, what is this bow all about? It's my best friend's mom's birthday today. She gifted me this scarf a while back, and what a better day than to wear it for her birthday. So shout out to my best friend's mom. Happy birthday, y'all. 21 never looked so good on her. Here it is, y'all. The box. Y'all can tell I have not opened this box yet at all. Let's see what's inside, y'all. Ugh. Girl. Alright. So here it is. What is in here? Okay. So this is for March. Avocado. What is this? Avocado hydrating eye mask. Oh, that's exciting. It's funny because I literally just wanted to go and buy some eye masks today. Oh, wow. Okay, so avocado hydrating eye mask. That's the first thing I see from Beauty Crop. I think I got something from them last month. I'm not sure. The next thing I got is a banana Soulful moisture cream, which is actually pretty good because I need. Oh my god, this is so cute, y'all. So this is banana cream. Like, I wonder if it has a smell. We'll open these up and see what it smells like afterwards. Oh, Venus 3 Lime Prime. Oh wow, I think I've heard of this before, but I've never played with it before. We'll play with it. We'll do some swatches. I think it is an eyeshadow palette. Let's see what it is. It doesn't really say what it is, but we're about to find out. Oh, I got like a couple things. Okay, cool. And then I got lip oil from Kar. Sorry. K-A-R. Lip oil. Sorry, y'all. This is a little hot. I'm gonna wait to rock it out when I get to her house. Ooh, girl. It's usually cold in my house, but today it is so hot. I don't know what's going on. And okay, as always, it comes protected, y'all, which is cute. And then I got Mauvin Beauty Rose Water Setting Spray. I'm not a big fan of setting sprays. I'm more of like a mist kind of girl. Alright, y'all, so let's see how much everything comes out, and then we'll play with the products and see if I'm happy or pissed off. Let's check this out, y'all. Okay, so the Line Crime. Oh, it is an eyeshadow palette. It says eyeshadow palette on the little BoxyCharm little list that they gave me. So that is $38 plus. Oh, Glow Recipe. Oh, sorry, y'all. This is from Glow Recipe. Oh my god, I love their stuff. Now I'm more excited about the moisturizer. The banana moisturizer. That one is $39. Okay, so that really got me really excited. So even if everything else sucks, Glow Recipe is such an amazing brand. And then the setting spray is $22 plus the lip oil is $20 plus the avocado hydrating eye mask is $18. So it comes up to $137, y'all. Not the $200, but like I said, the moisturizer I'm more excited about. Actually, I'm gonna open that first. Let's open her up. It has a little protection sticker right here. Let's see what it smells. It better smell like banana, so I'm gonna be real pissed. The packaging is so cute. It's so small though, but it's so cute. Now, does it smell like bananas? Oh, y'all. It has a little. At first, I was pissed for a second. I still haven't smelled it basically, but it has a little protection seal. That's I'm like, girl. Hold on. I'm gonna grab some from what came on the lid. Let's grab a good amount. I'm gonna apply some on the back of my hands and then smell it. It feels really nice and hydrating. Now let's see if it smells like bananas. I have to sniff really hard, y'all, to smell the bananas. Okay, I'm not gonna lie, I don't smell no goddamn bananas. I was gonna say, yeah, I smell a little bit of it. I don't smell no damn bananas. But it does feel, oh, I'm massaging it, sorry. It does feel so soft and hydrating, so that's a good plus. Yeah, still no bananas. It would have been great if it smelled like bananas because I like to smell bananas. I love banana pancakes, like I like the smell. And I've seen other moisturizers and other products that have had banana ingredients in it, and it smells like bananas, but this smells nothing like bananas, y'all. Well, I'm still excited about it because it does feel great and hydrating, and it's from Glow Recipe, which is a company that I truly enjoy. Now, that was cute. Now let's go on to the next product. Okay, y'all, let's try this Venus 3. So I'm guessing it's been a volume 1 and volume 2 before. I just heard of it. I don't know much about it. Line Crime, I know about the brand. Not really, but like I've heard of it. You know, a little here, a little there. Whatever I've seen on the internet. So it comes with this protection. Here's the palette, y'all. It's really beautiful. She's a beautiful girl. I like to see when I open things up first with you guys. Bam. Okay, simple. Oh, but beautiful. Y'all, so there is, sorry, a little bit of this shimmer eyeshadow got on the corner of this matte one. So again, protection, took it off, and it has a protection on the mirror, which is great. So there's a few matte ones, 2 shimmers, if y'all can see that. A little bit of a sheen going on. This purple is beautiful. We'll do that one last. The first color we're going to play with is Dreamy. I am seeing what's going to happen. It's a matte color. It looks pretty light. Alright, y'all. Let's see. Oh, wow. Actually, the color looks a little bit different when I swatch it. It does have pigment. It's pretty. Okay. And we're gonna go with this color. I think it's Beam. Okay. A little massage. This one is actually one of the shimmers. Well, let's see. It's not really showing up much. Let me see. It's okay. Let's go ahead. Heavenly, the one that I showed y'all earlier. Let's see. I got a good amount here, y'all. That looks pretty. Let's see. Alright, that looks nice. That's real nice. Oh shit, I kind of put it next to the other one, but it's okay. Y'all can still see it. Okay, that one was pretty. Rapture is the next color. Let's see. That one's also a matte. It's like a light pinkish beige. I'm not sure if it'll show much on my skin. Yeah, well, okay, good. Y'all see that? It's pretty lightweight. Okay. The next one is Ecstasy, y'all. That is a more darker color. It's a brown. It's okay. Not bad. Not as pigment as I thought it would be for some reason. If y'all ever play with these palettes or this company, let me know what y'all think. Paradise is the purple one. I was gonna do it last, but at this point I want to see something. Okay, that's kind of cute, a little chalky. But it's okay, it's okay. Is it the most, it's like the most wowing thing in the world? No. Bliss is the next one, which looks like kind of like, let me show y'all. This one right here. I'm grabbing my thumb, y'all. Put it next to it. That one had the most pigment. That's pretty. Doesn't capture as well on camera. It looks kind of purple on camera. But it looks kind of red to me, which I did not expect. It looks like a beautiful like red. It's nice. We're gonna try that on my other side of my hand because I'm running out of space on the other arm. Sorry. This one is below. It has a nice little sheen. It's pretty. So y'all, some colors I liked, other ones I don't. So I give it from like a 1 to 5, I give it like a 3. So it's not bad. So that's pretty, y'all. That was like what, $39? The next product we're going to use, y'all, it is the lip oil, honey. My lips hasn't been dry lately. Oh, this is pretty. Y'all, this is big. Okay. It's called Rum Punch, y'all. Let's try it out. I have not heard of this brand called, what is it called? Cap. Did I say car earlier? Oh, sorry y'all. Listen. I think I said car earlier. Cause K-A-R, but the B, y'all see that? Sorry. My mistake, y'all. So, cab. With the K. Okay, whatever. Whatever, y'all. They ain't writing me no check. Let's see what's poppin'. Okay. So, the wand looks cute, y'all. It grabs a good amount of product. Let's get a little closer to my lips. Oh, girl, a little dry. Sorry. Alright. Girl. If y'all see anything in my nose, whatever. Okay, y'all see that? This is cute. Should I get my lips done? So that was really cute, y'all. I'll wear it for the rest of the 5 more minutes until I gotta put on my mask and go out. Cause ain't nobody trying to get sick, y'all. So the next thing we're gonna be talking about, it is the avocado eye mask. Now it's really protected, y'all. So it has like a whole plastic all over it. Girl, I'm gonna cut myself trying to open this thing. My nails are not long enough to like rip this thing apart. Give me a second, y'all. Done. Alright, y'all, so let's see what is, okay, what is this? What is this? So there, hold on. Oh, so there is 3. That's amazing, y'all. So one for me. My mom most likely, she's gonna steal one. And another one for me. I wanted to open one with y'all, but it is very sealed. And I don't want to waste it because I already have a little bit of something on my face right now. I gotta go out to my best friend's house. I'm already running super late. Very late. Alright, y'all. So let's just see what it's about. It's a nourishing avocado and green tea infused eye patch. Will hydrate and depuff your tired eyes. Does not come from me and my puffy eyes right now, y'all, because I literally only put on an essence and oil today. My skin's been a little irritated, so there's no eye cream going on. Some of y'all may come for me for that. Okay, let's see. And we know why, because my Fenty video. Okay. So, it's, sorry, to continue reading, it says, to continue reading, y'all, it says, the avocado will moisturize and target dry skin, while the green tea will energize and depuff your under eyes. Say goodbye to stress, treat and relax your under eyes. You deserve it. You know what else I deserve? Never mind. Not for real though. money to just go in. The last thing, y'all, we're gonna use, well, we didn't get to use the last one, but we're gonna play with is going to be the setting spray, y'all. Ah, rose water setting spray. Let's see. Oh, I can smell it. Okay, I can really smell it. Oh, wow, it's like a rosy water. Yeah, smell. Alright, I was just trying to read this. So basically, it's just like every other setting spray. It says it'll last for like 16 hours. Some say a year. But it's all BS. So, I'm telling y'all the best way to make your makeup last, it is to, I feel as, you know what, I just make another video about that. This isn't gonna get into too much details. Just do your makeup right, y'all, and bring a little touch up so you can go to the powder room and call it a day. Cause listen, or y'all wanna go old school, do a hairspray. Cute. Smells good. Let's try it. Let's see how hydrating this is. So I have a little bit of makeup going on, just a little kiss. I don't like wearing makeup, so just a little kiss. Let's try this out. That's what y'all really do at home. See, on Instagram, they be telling you this. Girl, at home, I'm like, it smells good, super hydrating. I mean, this rose water, y'all, so just gonna keep the moisture going. I have, ooh, sorry, spilled a little bit on me, y'all. I do have dry skin, so this would actually work for me. This would be great, but it seems like it's good for all skin types. Give it a little shake from 8 to 10 inches away from your face and give it a little spray. Again, just do it the way that works for you. This box was a 1 out of 10. I give it a, you know what, I'll be nice, a 7. I give it a 7. I am looking a hot mess, but I hope y'all enjoy this. Hopefully they're not gonna be unsubscribed, y'all, but because I'm still glad about the moisturizer, even though I'm mad that it doesn't smell like bananas, but it's okay, y'all. So yeah, that's pretty much it, y'all. So thank y'all for watching. Again, y'all, make sure to subscribe, leave a comment down below, y'all, and yeah, I love y'all so much. Leave a like, and I'll see you into the next one. Bye.